Hey everyone, this is Shilpa and you are on my channel She Speaks. Be more confident, and this is what comes to your mind. If only it would have been that simple. In today's video, I am going to tell you some tips that can help you cultivate your confidence. But what is confidence? It is the belief that you are valuable and worthwhile, a belief that you can accomplish what you wish for, and you are empowered by these beliefs to face the challenges courageously. This is confidence. It turns your thoughts into action. But where does this confidence even come from? There are various factors that impact the development of confidence. First, the qualities which you are born with. Second, the social pressure by your environment, that is how you are treated by the people around you. And the last, on which you have a total control, that is your personal choices you make, the way you respond to challenges. It isn't possible to completely entangle these factors, but the personal choices you make have major impact on your confidence development. So now I am going to help you with some few practical tips that can really help you to cultivate your confidence. Tip number 1, a quick fix. Before your success, when you are beginning a difficult task, you can also strike a powerful pose, and you can also give yourself a pep talk. Tip number 2, believe in your ability to improve. If you are looking for a long-term change, consider the way you think about your abilities and talent. These beliefs matter when you are faced with setbacks in your life. If you have a growth mindset, you will think that your challenges are your opportunity to learn and grow. Tip 3, practice failure. You have to face that you have to fail sometimes, and you will be making many mistakes. Because those who learn from their failure, those who fail regularly and try anyway, are better to respond to those challenges, because now they have learned various other ways and various practices and different strategies to overcome their failure, and they are not at all hesitant to take advices from the others. So these were the tips that can help you in cultivating your confidence. So think of a challenge you want to take on. Realize it's not going to be easy. Accept that you will make mistakes, and be kind to yourself. Give yourself a pep talk saying that yes, I can do it and I can achieve it. And stand up and go for it. The excitement you will feel, whatever the result, but you have gained knowledge and understanding. This is, my friend, confidence. So my friends, these were some tips to help you improve your confidence level. But you also need to remember that confidence improvement is not a one-day project. You have to improve yourself every single day, and also remind yourself again and again that yes, you are valuable and you are worthwhile. So with this, here comes the end of our video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep spreading your love by subscribing the channel, hitting the like button, commenting below the video with your valuable feedback. Bye bye, take care, and peace out.